Unit 1.2 Whittington and his cat, Part 4. Hello students, in the previous video we have seen that Dick came back to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Why did he come? Yes, he came cause the church bells gave him a message. And what was the message? Yes, correct. Turn away, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. So, with the hope of becoming a mayor, he went back. Now, this is called to believe in yourself. He was ready to face few more problems to become the mayor of London. Now, it is rightly said, fortune favors the brave. So it happened with him within few days, and he became the mayor of London. How did he become the mayor of London? That we will see in this part, that is part 4.
Now, Mr. Fitzwarren used to send ships far across the sea to trade with other countries. He would load a ship with goods for the captain and the ship's crew to sell in faraway places, and then they would bring back goods that could be sold at home. One day, he called his household together. "I am sending a ship to the African coast to trade," he said. "Would any of you like to send something of yours on it? You can then share in the profits if the voyage is successful." Everyone produced something except for Dick, who had nothing to offer. "Have you nothing of your own, Dick?" asked Mr. Fitzwarren kindly, and Dick replied, "Only my cat." "Then let your cat go on the ship," said Mr. Fitzwarren. His daughter Alice said, "Dick loves his cat. Let me put something in for him." But her father said, "No, it must be his, not something belonging to someone else." So Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. The captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser, and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on his voyage.
So my dear student, this was the incident from where his fortune would change. So we have seen that within few days the merchant had to send his ship to trade with other countries and bring back goods to sell at home. So he called his household together so that they would send something of theirs and share a profit if the voyage was a success. Voyage means journey by sea. Everyone gave what they had, but Dick did not have anything of his own. The only thing he had of his own was his cat. So Dick gave his loving cat and said goodbye to it. The captain was delighted, as the cat was a good mouser. Mouser means that catches mice. Dear students, I hope you have understood this part. In the next part, we will see how much did the king pay for the cat. Now take down the homework, write the meanings in your classwork book and read the lesson. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye. See you.